So last lesson out of our review chapter, solving compound inequalities. So compound inequalities come in two cases. We have the and case or the or case. So if you do not see any words in your inequality, it's the and case, right? So 10 less than 3y minus 2, which is less than 19. This is the and case. You could also read that as 10 is less than 3y minus 2 and 3y minus 2 is less than 19. So what we are going to do here is we are going to solve this for y. And we want y to be in the middle. Right? So I want, when I'm done here, I want y and then some values on both sides of it. Okay, so I am going to work to get y by itself in the middle. So I'm going to start by adding away this 2. So I get 12 less than 3y, which is less than 21. Right, because 10 plus 2 is 12, 19 plus 2 is 21. Here, I have this 3y in the middle, so I am going to divide away the 3 from all 3 terms. Right, so 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3y divided by 3 is just y. And then 21 divided by 3 is 7. Right, my symbols stay the same. Right, I had the less thans, and they're going to move all the way down. This is the and case. And in the and case, when we graph then, right, I'm going to have a number line. And I need 4 to 7. 4, 5, 6, 7 is on my number line. Okay, and y is between those two. Y is between 4 and 7. So y is between here, right? And because they're both open, or because neither of them have the or equal to, they're both open circles. So I put a line between the two circles that are at 4 and 7 because they're both open. For the or case, we are going to work them separately, and we are going to graph them on the same number line, but they're not going to be connected. So x plus 3 is less than 2, or negative x less than or equal to negative 4. So I'm going to work these two things out separately. X plus 3 is less than 2. So I'm going to subtract away that 3. So here I get x less than negative 1. And on the other side, I need to divide away this negative sign, right, to get x by itself. And I divided by a negative, so I flip the signs. Now notice here, signs are going opposite directions, and that's okay. Before, the signs were going all the same way. That's when we had the and case. We connected the lines. Right here, I am going to make my number line, and I need to have the negative 1 on my number line, and maybe another value after it. And then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so x less than negative 1. I graph that, right? Open circle because it's less than. And then I'm going to graph x greater than or equal to 4. So solid circle, greater than. Right? Typically for the or case, 99% of the time, the arrows are going to be pointed away from each other. In the and case, 99% of the time, okay, they're going to connect and meet like they did here, okay? Because we have this set up like this. If I separated those two out, right, if I had 4 less than y and y less than 7, right, this is the same as, this could then become y is greater than 4, right? So they're going to run into each other this way, right? So we just connect them all the way across. So that should get you started for assignment 0.5.